Cooking up some deer heart, folks. Oh yeah, some deer heart. Get some of that in there. Put that right in there. Shake that right in there. Put a little nutmeg in there. Oh yeah, I gotta have some nutmeg. Gotta have a little bit of nutmeg. Not very much. Just a little bit. Stick that in there. Oh yeah. And then you gotta have a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. You put that in there. Oh yeah. Put whatever your favorite kind is. This one right here, just the cheap kind. That's what I like. We use a lot of it, so I don't want to have to pay for a lot of it. Cheap stuff just as good as the expensive stuff, as far as I can see. Chop your onions up in there, throw that right in there. Cut your heart up. Deer heart. This works on cow heart, beef heart. Well, beef heart, cow heart. This works on pig heart, bear heart, even elk heart is a damn good heart to cook up too. So cook up these hearts. It's hard to get beef heart, and put in pork heart. This works. I got a little piece cooked up right there. I already had been eating some. Oh, smells so good. It tastes so good. Look at that. You want it just about a little pink, not too bad. You dip that baby right in there. Get it cooled down a little bit before you fight it. Good stuff. Good stuff. That's the boys. They're playing out there, playing cards. Not cards. Playing a little Yahtzee. They're waiting for me to cook up some deer heart. Good stuff, folks. Good stuff. You'll love it. Well, there you go. That's how you cook deer heart. That's an essence of what I put into it. You gotta use a little bit of this vegetable oil though, and some butter. I put some real butter in there. Make sure you use real butter. That's what we use. Great value, unsalted butter. Or salted. Does that say salted? I didn't read it. Salted. Creamy, sweet, creamy butter. Yeah. Good stuff, folks. Good fuss. Good stuff. You get some onion in there. Oh yeah. Gotta try this. Really good. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember to give me a thumbs up. Let me like and subscribe. Let me know if you like my videos or don't like them. I'd appreciate it. It is a beautiful day to be having some deer heart. Snow is going away. No deer out there right now, but we'll be out there later shooting some big bucks. Probably get some on video. Hopefully I'll get one on video this year for you folks. Thanks a lot for watching. Remember, just have fun. Louie out.